Okay, so time to turn in whatever you've got so far with your animation. First thing I'd like you to upload, if you have it, is the animated GIF. Remember, we just added it to Adobe Media Encoder. Your standard video, you've done that before. And then this is the animated GIF. I reset this so that you could see the job that I sent and that it went to my animation folder. Otherwise, it'll go to a subfolder that After Effects makes for you that ends in AME. You can see that when you look here that all of these have AME on them as I've done different exports. So making sure that you've got the right one by putting the today's date at the beginning there. Now the reason I opened this up is to show you that I have changed the size of the animated GIF. It needs to be smaller. 512 is a good number for the width, or 600 I've also been using. Make sure you just uncheck that box, because if you match source, it's going to be 1920 by 1080, way too large. So you just go in there, change that number, and you should be good to go. So let's talk about adding those files. So if I go back to my assignment, you will of course add files and browse. Do not add them from Google Drive. I'm going to do this to get those files in there, and as it says, give the animated GIF that you have first. So I've done that. You need to find the file on here. I may need to look over. Okay, so here's the animated GIF. I'm going to open that, and then I want to make sure that the other files get uploaded as well. So I'll go ahead and upload the files that I can see easily. So I've got my After Effects composition, and then there's the video as well. And I'm not going to just guess that that's the right one. I'm going to go ahead and verify which file exactly was being used. You do that by right-clicking on one of the layers here in the project and saying Reveal in Explorer. When you do that, it will take you to the exact file that was uploaded into After Effects and used in the animation. So we've got this file. It has 2 parentheses on it. So out of all the different Illustrator files, I know that's the one that needs to be uploaded. So I'm going to go back to this assignment and upload. So you're going to browse to that folder and find it. You may be able to drag and drop it in there as well on your computer. I am selecting it specifically and opening the file and turning all of that in. Notice that by putting the animated GIF first, I can see that animation at a glance. So that's why I want that to go in there first. If you don't have that, at the very minimum, you need to give me the Illustrator file that is used in the After Effects composition.